Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking these type of videos, then you can hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who wants to be part of secret Telegram channel, you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstock, or Angel Broking. And for the ones who wants know about additional services, you can always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our number. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So our topic is going to be regarding our options, how to buy and sell options for intraday trading. Now why I'm doing this particular video is because a lot of them watched our videos. So if you have not yet watched our videos, go to our playlist or else go and watch our option series videos. You will get an idea about the basics. Now we did option series 3, so this is the 4th video, so go and watch those videos so that you will get a better idea. So now after watching that, most of them wanted to know in intraday how can we buy and sell exactly. So now for an intraday, now let's say just like for example Reliance stock equity, okay, you're buying at 1479. Same way if you want to sell, let's say 1483, you did selling. So this is the profit which you made. So therefore what you can do, same thing in options also we can do. You can buy at a premium and sell. For example 23.90 is there, let's say it is 24.50, so you are booking profit. Same way if it goes down and you sell, it is loss. So you can buy the premium, and if the premium goes up you can sell, and if it's coming down it's a loss if you are booking your losses. Now either you can take it like an intraday or you can take like a normal order. All right, so now let's say for buying this Reliance, so now this is a Reliance stock, this is the option, call option here, this is put option. Call option means it will go along with the stock, equity stock, that is this one, okay, and put option means it will go against. Example is, see, this is a Reliance chart, so today 5 minutes example, so it is going down and like this is a structure. Now I've taken an example of option, call option. All right, so you see here, so even this has a similar diagram like this one. All right, but look at this one, this is put option, this one put option, okay, so this is against our stock. This one has gone above, so this is somewhere ulta to this and this, right? So therefore always your call option will go like how your stock, equity stock is going, because this is the underlying asset, and your put option will go ulta always, like I told you in the basics. So now let's say this is your call option, put option. How to pick this also, you can go to NSE India and you can check with contracts, top traded options, you can check on that. You will get Reliance or any stock, you will get Bank Nifty index and all you will get. Let's talk about stock. So for example, I got a stock which has been traded, the option which has been traded the highest, let's say call option and put option of 1600, strike price of May, Reliance. Now if you want to buy basic like our normal equity buying, hit a buy, you have to buy in this one, okay, lot size, so normal and MIS. Anyways, let's say for example I'm taking a normal. So if you want to take normal, you have to buy one lot, that is 500 into 23.90. So how much is that? I just roughly calculated, it is 500 into 23.90, that is 11,950 to buy one lot of this option. Okay, if the option premium goes up, so for example here it was how much was the option premium? In the start of the day the option premium was, let's say, 42 rupees. So in order to buy that option you wanted 42 into 500 rupees, so you wanted 21,000 in your account. But if it had taken from the lower level, you would have needed less. So based on the premium only you are buying. So now for example let's say you're planning to buy. Now let's say you're doing paper trading, so I would suggest all my subscribers who is practicing options along with me. So like whenever I try learn something new and when I'm practicing something, I keep sharing on YouTube. So that's how this channel has grown. So option is something which I am doing paper trading a lot, okay. So during my learning, whatever I identify, whatever I feel good, I will share it to my crowd. So this is what I am doing. So kindly do paper trading. So if you're trading based on this, do not kindly, I do not entertain that. This is only for paper trading and observation, so that after few months or few years down the line, me and you both can be better in terms of options. So we are learning, okay. So therefore Now let's say I'm applying a technicals what we used to do, let's say for Reliance. Okay, basically in Reliance, now let's say if I want to buy in Reliance, I will take, let's say, some technicals. RSI is crossing above and MACD crossover happens somewhere at this level. I took my position on 1508. I'm booking my target, let's say 1523. So 0.3 I'm putting, let's say 4 rupee 50 paisa, like that. Same technical, let's say for learning purpose. Later we can explore many other concepts, but as of now, let's say we are planning to buy in this point and this point. So let's say at a premium of 24.47 I took. So let's say I took around 24.47. okay, all right. So into 500, so I invested around 12,200 roughly. Okay, so now let's say from there I took a position from here and I booked over, let's say somewhere over here, or let's say 30 also. Okay, anywhere, I'm just giving roughly. I would have booked, let's say early only, but let's say maximum we booked here 30 rupees. Okay, so from 24, let's say roughly 6 rupees movement is there. So 6 into 500 quantities was how much? 6 into 500. So we have 3000 profit. So on how much did we make 3000 profit? On 12,000 rupees. So 3000 divided by 12,200 roughly is equal to into 100. I'm just showing you the percentage. So 24.59 percentage profit. Now this is CNC, normal order, full money I gave. You won't even get, like in futures, you will not get extra 2 times or 3 times margin. You will not get on normal. You have to pay full money. 12,200 means full 12,200 you have to give. The risk is 12,200. If full this premium will become 0, then I will lose 12,200. Now let this premium, now let's say this premium other way went to 66 rupees. So from, let's say from 24 rupees to 66 rupees, whatever is the difference is my profit. Same way I took a position buy here, it went against me, sell here, this is my loss. So much of loss. So the movement is not like 6% of equity. The movement is like this. Okay, the movement is like 49% it has fallen. 6% is the stock fallen, but this has fallen 49%. So what is the price it moved today? It opened around 43.15, open high today it is. So it's a negative sign and it has fallen up to 20. You see almost 50 percentage fall. So that is the beauty of options. A lot of people, with a small money, see now who thought in 12,200 you can make 3,000 rupees in a small example which I gave you. Now you will practice, you will have different strategy. You may take more of example. You would have taken and holded it for 3 days, 5 days, 10 days, or for example you are shorted the stock. So remember, for buying only I told you the premium is calculated and you will give full money. But for shorting, now for example, see you did a buy of call option or you do buy of put option, you will give the premium money. But if you're doing selling of these two, then you have to give higher money. Okay, so now let's say for future, buying a future Reliance, you need around 1,50,000 to buy one lot, right? Normal order example. So you need to pay that full money to short. Okay, if you have to short these two, then you have to give that full exposure money, not like 12,000 you cannot take this. All right, so because the risk is higher in terms of shorting. But actually if you see what I see, how other traders say is that the opportunity in selling, the profits are better compared to buying. But to do the shorting you need more money. So big players will do always shorting, and small investor is the ones who actually do the buying part. So the ones who use technicals and other type of their own strategies are the ones who survive by booking some profits in some areas. Or else, for example, they took a position here and they hold at the position. So for example in options, here options over, let's say in 23 rupees they booked their profit selling here. Okay, yeah, so that it's not that it doesn't happen, it will happen. Now for example you want to gonna sell, instead of hitting short here, they would have done a buy of put option like this. Okay, so see the graph of this. So it is going up, even though Reliance fell, it is going up. So it's anyways ulta, this is going up, this is going down based on Reliance. Okay, if Reliance goes up, this goes up. If Reliance goes down, this goes down. So buying and selling of options is similar like our equity and futures. Just hit the button. We should go with like futures lot size. In premium you have to pay this into the number of lot size. When you hit buy, see this example is 500, so we are paying that money only for short. Okay, only for short you have to have full money of exposure. Like futures you have to give full money and take it. but only for buying both you need only the premium money. And like I told you, like our normal intraday, when you see a certain 1% movement or 2% movement or whatever is your target, you will book your profit just like our normal trading only. This is also a normal movement of stocks and you will book, just that the profit ratio will not be like 6% or 3%, 2% of the stock. It will be like 49%, 73%, 100%, 200% movements you will see in this premiums. So that is the reason you see a lot of people, if you see in our derivative markets, the number of people trading in options are totally higher. So people with lesser money also, see, it's like risk is, if you put 12,200 in buying, I'm just giving example of buying, okay, if you're buying this, your risk is 12,200. If this becomes zero, you will make 0 rupees, like you have lost your money. But if this one goes to 60, 100,000, it's unlimited profit. Okay, with 12,200, let's say you waited for a month and stock went like anything up, it you made 1,000% profit here. Okay, now let's say from here to here it's a big movement, same way you made 1,000 profit. So this 12,000 can become, let's say, whatever percentage, 1 lakh or 12 lakh rupees profit you can do. So that is why a lot of people trade in options. It's like a jackpot thing. Same way you have a lot of risk. So I just gave you a basic buy and selling advice for a beginners who don't even know this option, who think option is totally different, danger and all that. Kindly do this paper trading. Take a paper and write down that buying at this price, selling at this price. So start doing, judging all your technicals and all your strategies what you applied on stock, because you're taking a stock options. Okay, like futures, your option also will move like that. Now you're doing index, bank nifty and all those things, then you have to apply your own strategy. But whatever we learned on equities, you can start applying on these options and try to do paper trading and try to see where and all we have opportunities to book and see how much we can book. Or take a brokerage calculator and let's say you're buying at what, let's say 23 rupees and I'm selling at just 1 rupee, 24 rupees. How much is one lot? For 12,000 I got 500, so 432 rupees profit I made. So like this you can calculate, let's say 30 rupees. In that case we saw highest was 65 or somewhere, so we made 20,000 rupees. So 12,000 was my capital, extra 20,000 rupees I made profit. So like this, do paper trading, write down in a sticky note or somewhere, write down all the details of the stock name, the price and the what is your target and all those you write and practice. See how things work, so that when we discuss many other factors, and I have more basic videos and things which has to be discussed. So along with that, let's practice together and see how things goes. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not watched the 3 other videos, previous basic videos, watch that and then go through this. Let's start our basic paper trading practice. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.